sure when you get ready to purchase a house, you all have people giving input. So today we're going to debunk 2 mortgage myths. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and today, once and for all, we will talk about 2 mortgage myths and things that you should really consider with those. Myth number 1, if you find a home you like, then you'll worry about the mortgage. Well, the truth is that in this market that is such fast paced, you have to have your financing in advance. By the time you find the house that you want to purchase and then get financing, the house will already be gone. So with offers flying around so fast, you simply do not have time to make an offer without a pre-approval already in place. Myth number 2, you need piles of cash lying around in order to buy a house. Well, the truth is the average buyer put down just 12% in 2021. For first-time home buyers, the average was actually closer to 7%. So while you do need to be financially sound and have a steady job, the 20% down payment myth just is a myth. For other real estate rumors or myths, things you're hearing and wondering, is that the truth and what should we consider in purchasing a home? Reach out today. We're happy to have a consultation or just a phone call to review what it looks like to purchase a home in 2022.